Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a beautiful custom truck here, and it has everything. It's got a big black Chevy motor, air conditioned, a 6-speed custom suspension, brakes. It's beautiful. So it's a 1950 Ford F1 truck with a lot going on. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, get the price, and see photos top to bottom of this vehicle and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified. You'll see these videos first as they come out. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in this gorgeous truck. The color is beautiful. Isn't that just sharp looking? Beautiful, polished out, metal flake burgundy. I'm just looking at it for a second here because it's just deep. It looks like I could dive right into this door. It's polished out beautifully, everything's straight. It's got a louvered hood. Of course, it's lowered. It's got a big set of really polished wheels with some performance tires on there. Tinted glass, all metal. Inside the box is all repainted. It has stainless hardware. Real nice oak finished floor with stainless strips. Looks like the gas filler has been relocated to the floor. This tailgate does not open. It's fixed. It's got custom polished bumpers front and back, original style tail lights. Again, all this is straight, no issues, no cracking, no bubbles or anything like that. It all looks beautiful. A couple minor scratches on the running board, actually not on this side, but on the other side. Someone must have stepped on it. All this trim is nice. The glass looks like it's all new. The gaskets are new. The grill is all polished, new emblems. I want to wait for it to come around and show you how to open the hood if you don't already know. You push in on this lever here, or actually pull out. Kind of a neat feature. And we've got a big black Chevy. I don't know if it's a 396 or 454. I haven't run all the numbers and codes. We just got this truck. But it does have air conditioning, power steering, HEI ignition, headers, got some polished valve covers, polished intake, Edelbrock carburetor, aluminum radiator with electric fan. Everything is done neatly. Looks like stainless steel hardware. The firewall's painted. It's got horns up front, aluminum pulleys, chrome alternator. Interior's real nice. See, all this is painted beautifully, new rubber. Got some nice seats with a little embroidery on the seats. Dash is all done up nice. Got some nice gauges and column and a Lokar shifter on the floor. Underneath the truck, up front, it's got a new subframe. It's got looks like a Heights Mustang 2 suspension, rack and pinion steering. It's a 6-speed transmission that's in there. New fuel system, all new upgraded brakes. They're drilled, slotted rotors, discs at all 4 corners. So underneath the truck is all been redone as well. I'm 6 foot. I fit in here very comfortably. The positioning is real nice. Got a nice clean set of gauges and tachometer. Beautiful steering wheel on a tilt column. AC controls and vents are made. They made a specific panel under the dash, very neatly done. Got some nice pedals in here. It runs fantastic. You couldn't ask for it to be any better than that. The shifter is kind of cool. Shifter goes under the seat, and it's got an old shift ball on it, 3-speed, like the original 3-speed. It is a 6-speed, obviously. It's got the retractable shoulder belts, And all the hardware, I'm looking all around, stainless steel hardware. They didn't cut corners when they built this truck. This is a really nice truck, very well done. I think that's a Flowmaster exhaust I seen underneath there. Yeah, do go to volocars.com and read all the specs on this one. I'll have them all listed for you, but I'm telling you, it's a nice truck. And also at our website, plenty of ways to contact us. Whatever questions you have or concerns, you need more pictures, you need more video, we'll help you with that. We can help you with the financing, the shipping. Go to volocars.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll see these videos first as they come out. Thanks for watching.